Hi everyone, Richard here. Most of you know me from my SASE and Zero Trust content, and I'm not leaving that behind. But I want to tell you something that completely shifted how I think about cybersecurity education, and it's changing this channel. Here's what I've learned. People don't learn cybersecurity from tutorials alone. They learn from stories, real incidents, real breaches, real moments that shaped the entire security landscape. So I'm expanding the channel into a new direction: cybersecurity history and incident storytelling. I'll be breaking down major events: Operation Aurora, Stuxnet, the Colonial Pipeline breach, Target 2013, and most importantly, what these stories teach us about modern security frameworks like Zero Trust and SASE architecture. Now, if you're wondering if I'm abandoning SASE content, I'm not. Every story will have a section at the end showing what it teaches us about modern defense strategies and enterprise architecture. You're getting the same expertise, but now you're learning it through the incidents that shaped the discipline. This content will be documentary style, more engaging and meaningful, whether you're an engineer, an IT director, managing SASE deployments, a cybersecurity student, or someone curious about how digital security really works. This is still the same channel, but with a much broader mission: documenting the past, explaining the present, securing the future. Before I show you what's coming, I want to know, what's your favorite cybersecurity story? What incident would you like to see explored in depth? Drop it in the comments. The first episode drops Monday at 9 a.m., and I'm uploading 3 new episodes over the next 2 weeks. This isn't an experiment. I'm committed to this format. Do me a solid, stay subscribed, turn on notifications, and if this sounds interesting, drop a yes in the comments. See you soon.